Bapetown, y'all already know what it is. The Marvel BAPE STAs. Was just thinking about it, they did my man Hawkeye dirty. Now BAPE and Marvel has been collabing all throughout the years, but not like this. Paying homage to the 05 OG Marvel BAPE STAs. So for this drop, we got the return of the 4 original heroes from 2005.
Iron Man. Coming through. Captain America.
They slipped out.
Thor. I am mighty. Hulk.
And 2 new heroes.
Black Widow.
Hey, big guy.
Rocket.
Ain't no thing like me except me.
Alright, let's open these bad boys up. So let's start off with the 4 original heroes first, and then hit them up with the new heroes. First up, we got the top dog, Iron Man. So off top, we got that OG packaging. Super creative then, super creative now. You know, that whole action figure packaging look. Of course, updated a bit, we still got that kind of vintage comic book backing, and with that clear casing, with of course an updated branding compared to the OGs. Here is the back, more of the comic book graphics, and if y'all noticed, but I kind of went by it real quick, the graphics is the same as the front, but the back just being one color, I guess that Iron Man red. Here's a better look at the back, guys. Yeah, that's super clean. And here they are, the Iron Man BAPE STAs. Got that all patent leather. These colors is hitting. The color blocking, all the same with the OGs. Got them reds on the toe cap, eyelet row, heel counter, tab, and outsole. Yellows on the toe box, quarters, the embroidered BAPE star, midsole, even all the way down to the laces. And we got that black stop. Now the major difference with all these new ones is we got an embossed graphic print of a waist up shot. As with the OGs, in this case Iron Man, it was a screen print of just the head. Yeah, that graphic is clean. Hey yo, but why does Iron Man got nips?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
There goes the left sneaker, and on to the right, all the same, except on this heel counter, we got that embroidered Marvel logo, which on the OGs was the same, but that OG Marvel Comics logo. The other difference and highlight of the shoe is the insole. The insole graphics being the same as the backing of the packaging. All this on both insoles, just like the OGs. Yeah, that's real cool. Well, there goes Iron Man. What y'all guys think?
I'm the best.
Next up, the first Avenger, Captain America. Here's the full color comic book backing. I'm gonna give y'all a better look once I open this bad boy up. But here's the back in that one solid color, that Captain America blue. Here's the full color backing. Real nice. Bam, and here they are, the Captain America BAPE STAs. Now in my opinion, more wearable compared to the Iron Man colorway. We got the obvious red, white, and blue. Got the blues on the toe cap, eyelet row, heel counter, BAPE on the midsole, and the outsole, reds on the toe box, both quarters, and the embroidered BAPE star logo on the heel tab, and the whites on the star, the heel tab, and that midsole. The same color blocking as the OGs. Alright, let's take a look at this heel counter. We got that embossed Captain America graphic. Yeah, that's clean. Now the OGs, just like the Iron Man, was a screen print of just the head. And here is the right shoe with that embroidered Marvel logo. And to keep it thorough, here are the insoles. Nice. You know, in my opinion, in general, any BAPE STA with the baby blue color, always fresh. Well, there goes the Captain America BAPE STAs. What y'all guys think?
I could do this all day.
Next up, Mighty Thor. So here's the full color backing. And for the back, we got that solid color, yellow. Bam, and here they are, the Thor Bapesters. Now still a clean Bapester, for me it's probably one of the least wearable. With the sneaker that's almost majority yellow, it's kind of a tough wear. But then again, Bape is always about big colors. Got the blues on both quarters, the embroidery on the heel tab, and the Bape on the midsole. Got that red star, and that white outsole. Color blocking exactly like the OGs. Well, except for the letter coloring on the midsole, which the OG was all yellow if I remember right. Let's take a look at this Thor graphic. Yeah, super clean. Now the OGs, even compared to the others, was different. Instead of a head graphic, it was Thor's hammer. It would have been kind of funny if they were to stick to the pattern and did an axe this time, but I'm glad they did a whole graphic for my boy. And here are them insoles. Nice. Well, there it is, you guys, the Thor Bapesters. What y'all guys think?
Strongest Avenger.
Access denied.
Next up, the Incredible Hulk. Now, while I was in line for this collection, I was hearing people were gunning for the Hulks. Here's that full color backing of Hulk smashing. And here's the back, that one solid color, Hulk green. And here they are, the Hulk Bapesters. Now my OG Bape is probably thinking, those things are green than a motherfucker.
Watch your profanity.
The OGs was way on the lighter side, but I ain't mad at it. The new ones, still clean. Got the greens on the toe cap, eyelet row, heel counter, tab, Bape on the midsole and outsole, purples on the toe box, quarters, and the midsole, and we got that black star. Definitely, in my opinion, the ones that'll really turn heads. Alright, let's take a look at this graphic. We got that clean Hulk graphic, throwing them hands. Y'all probably guessed it on the OGs, just the head graphic. And here is the right shoe with the embroidered Marvel logo. And both insoles. You know, if you've been following your boy, personally, I wouldn't be able to rock these, but amongst the collection, one of the tops. Well guys, there goes 4 of the original heroes. Got the Cap, Thor, Iron Man, and Hulk. Now we on to the 2 new heroes. And we're gonna start off with the Black Widow. The full color backing. Black Widow doing her thing. And here's the back with the solid color blue, which, hold on a sec, kinda matches Captain America. But there is more darker shading because of her hair and her suit, so. Bam! The Black Widow Bapesters. Now I do have to say, and we'll get to the Rockets later, these are one of the most wearable. Got a real good combination of that neutral color black and the primary colors red, blue, and yellow to make it pop. So a real good balance. Alright, let's take a look at this graphic. Kinda looks like Black Widow swinging off the star. That's clean. Is it just me or does it kinda look dull on the color side? Hold on, let's check. Yeah, it's not as colorful. I think they could have, like for example, used some of that red from Iron Man for Black Widow's hair, give it more pop to it. Let's see. Or like Thor with his yellow belt. Use that same vibrant yellow on Black Widow's gauntlet, her belt. But you know, it is what it is. Still clean though. Or maybe because she's like a spy assassin, you know, lurking in the shadows.
What? Man, sit your dumb ass down.
And here are them insoles. Yeah, you know, for me, one of the go-tos for wearability. What y'all guys think about the Black Widows?
I'm always picking up after you boys.
Alright, last but not least, our second newest hero, Raccoon.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the full color backing. Yeah, Raccoon is probably my favorite Guardian. Dude, stay roasting people.
Bunch of jackasses.
Hope Daddy isn't as big of a dick as you, orphan boy. And for a second, I got a warm feeling, but then it was ruined by those disgusting-ass teeth.
Who's the fancy broad?
And here's that solid color backing. For Rocket, it's gray. Bam, and here they are, Raccoon Bapesters. Now y'all can probably tell, the most neutral colorway in the collection. With the grays, blacks, and browns, you can rock it with any fit. The only primary color, the blue star, gives it that nice little pop to it. And here's that graphic. Rocket always has that thing on him.
I don't know what kind of gun that is. No.
And here's the right shoe with the embroidered Marvel's logo. And y'all already know, we got them graphic insoles. If you want a pair that you can rock on a regular basis, These is it.
Let's make something clear. This one here's our booty.
Well, there it is, you guys. The 2022 Marvel BAPE. Now, they did drop 8 in 2005. That includes Spider-Man, Cyclops, the Human Torch, and Silver Surfer. So we may get a few more here in the future. I don't know, let's see. But which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!